What is that, Riley?
What is that?
Is that from Nana and Papa?
You need the other one. Oh, these ones look real nice. Here's the other one.
Symbols.
Can you clang them together? Go. You got it. Ding, ding, ding.
Yay.
These are nice. Wow.
Ooh, what else is in there, Riley? We're making music. Bells.
Bible.
And what's this? Is this a triangle? Can you hit the triangle? Now I should take back the Melissa and Doug ones I got. These are much nicer.
I'm recording this.
I don't care.
Look what that is, Riley.
I was just given instructions to go to Toys R Us and buy something.
Is that like they have at music class? That's exactly like they have at music class. You love that one, don't you? That's the one that you bang with a stick? And you use this on your drum? There's your little drum. Daddy has it. And there's the drums from Aunt Jamie, Aunt Karen, and Uncle Jamie.
Apparently the floors are not level.
We had that problem last year with the fire truck. A flute! Show me your flute. Do do do. Say thank you, Nana and Papa. Thank you, Uncle Jamie and Aunt Karen and Cousin Sebastian and Cousin Simon. I love making music. Yay!
Hey,